children of the Most High God. You know, for all y'all preppers, you know what I'm saying, y'all want to have something that's, I'm going to say waterproof. You see how you got these cigars? All you got to do, cut the top off right here. Right before you got the seal, cut the top off. And you can put things like lighters, Band-Aids, like the white ones. I got all like the medical stuff in this one. Seeds, spices in the green ones. But yeah, just a little ghetto hack. Because once you, whatever you put in there, when the rain hit it, you know, you still have your lighter. The lighter won't be wet. So you just put it inside the little, I ain't got no tripods or no cameraman. So, but yeah, just put it inside. Let me do this shit, man. But you know what I mean. Get your lighters, your Band-Aids, put them inside the seal. Get you a little fanny pack and start packing. Children of the Most High God.